to the point I had so much left foot pain that I was really struggling. I wasn't enjoying walking, I wasn't enjoying playing golf, so I decided it's finally time to look into it a little farther.
What exactly were you doing to maintain the pain and assist with you being able to play golf?
Doing a lot of things. I was buying countless packages of corn pads and putting them on top of my second toe. My golf shoes, I actually had to cut slits in the top of it so my toe could breathe, and also on the side so that my bunion would have room so that I could at least get in some golf shoes.
So I see here your surgery date was November the 17th
Correct.
of 2022, and you had a reconstruction of the full left foot?
Correct. Feel great. Back to all my normal activities, wearing normal shoes without slits cut in them, and wearing new golf shoes.
Awesome. Any complications?
None whatsoever.
Okay. And any more pain?
No pain whatsoever as well.
And how would you rate your physician, 1 to 10?
She's a 12.
She's a 12. All right. And how's the staff?
I love the staff here.
Awesome.
You guys are great.
I see here that your foot is beautiful.
Well, thank you.
And are you pleased with the outcome?
I'm very pleased. Now maybe I should get some other construction done, but
Well, knees down. From the knees down.